There's a reason why it is called the sound of creation. Now, what is creation with this new understanding? Tell me.
Creation is just the waking state where the waking consciousness is projecting itself.
Correct.
And yeah,
And?
a dreaming consciousness is projecting as a dreaming.
Yes. And?
Deep sleep.
And
Yes,
deep sleep. Yes. So waking, dreaming, and deep sleep consciousness is equal to creation. There is no other creation made of matter or made of mind.
Yeah.
Waking consciousness plus dreamer consciousness plus deep sleep consciousness is equal to the creation. That means Saguna Brahman is equal to creation. That is why it is said God is not different from the universe. God is the universe himself. So, where is this frequency? It's only at the time of the creation. Means it is there in waking, it is there in dreaming, it's there in deep sleep, but not beyond. And it is the expression of this consciousness. It is the expression of Brahman. Yeah, so the next few verses actually explain it. How is Om the consciousness? How the consciousness expresses itself through Om.